Imagine being able to have a project management system baked right inside of HighLevel that's integrated for your users as well as your contacts across your entire agency. Now imagine that you can then give that project management system a new instance to every single sub-account. That's exactly what I'm going to show you inside of this video, as well as how you can use this as a support system for all of your sub-accounts and have it absolutely be seamless. What I'm taking a look at here, I'm going to move my head. So I've got a custom menu link here. This is the project management system from GHL Plugins. You'll notice we have all of these projects. Now when this first installs, you just go and you create a project. Now I'm going to show you down here. So we've got a project here called Support Desk. So you'll notice when I open this up, I have a standard Kanban. Now I created this Kanban the way that I wanted it to do, doing in review, done. Got extra ones here for in review for James, just standard testing that we've set up for these Kanbans. But you'll notice here I can create a task, I can use templates, I can do all of this different stuff. Where the rubber meets the road with this tool is when I've set this project up, I can actually create a request system for all of my sub accounts to use. And all I have to do is take this custom menu link, and it's completely white labeled. I'll paste this over here inside of my agency. If I want to share it with all, I can. And then what does that look like to a new sub account? Looks just like this. Now, when I'm here inside of a new sub account, I've got a custom menu link called Support Desk. The only thing that I can do when I'm taking a look at this as a user of this specific sub account is I can create a help ticket. Create a help ticket. Now here, this is completely customizable. As an agency, you want to set up a specific type of workflow or specific type of form for whatever it is the client it is you have needs. Great, perfect, you can do that. Now in this one I just have very simple. Please help, I'm going to select the category, please help, we're having an SMS issue, right? So I'm going to go ahead and submit. What that's going to do is that's going to open up a card directly on here. Now if I go back to the support desk inside of the agency, I go here, load more projects, scroll down, take a look at support desk. I'm going to go ahead and I'll see now that I can, not only do I have the ticket, but I see the user that created it, their email address, as well as the sub account where it's created. Now this works with custom fields, custom values, so if you want to create custom tickets, you can do that. In fact, this system actually even creates a ticketing numbering system for you. And what's great about it is as I move this through the card, I've set up automations inside of this project to email the user that created the project, letting them know that it's moved from to do to doing. What would happen if I wanted to open this up, and if I wanted to come over here, I could do all of these different things. I can add a description if I want to add context. If I want to add internal notes to any of my team members, I can add a note. I want to say add Ezekiel. Hey Ezekiel, check this out. So this is going to be an internal note, meaning that only my team is going to be able to see it. The sub account or the user that created the ticket can't see that. Now if I want to go back to details, I can add details here. From the agency view, I can do a lot of things when I open this task up. What I can do here, I can move it. I can simply change the column here. If I wanted to, I could add subtask just like this. I could add a new assignee. So if I wanted to assign, let's say I want to assign Ezekiel to this or Greg, I'm able to do that right here inside of that. And the user is going to get notified. So we have workflows and automations built all throughout this project management system. I've got the contact information of the person that created the card. I can set a due date, I can set the start date, I can set the estimated time, I can even make this a reoccurring task if I wanted to, and I can set the priority. Let's say, for example, that I need to get more information from the contact that created this task. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and click external. Now I can say here, please send Loom. Now what's great about this, I can click this button right here and I can set as an external. So that means, and we're going to get a notice here, so our team doesn't accidentally send something context that's supposed to be their team. This means it's external. That means it's going to get pushed out to the user that created it. So what happened right here is the user that created this task inside of the other sub account just got an email. And they're going to be able to open that email up and they can respond right there to it. If they respond to the email, it's going to update the card. But better than that, if I go over here and take a look at this sub account that created the help desk, now most likely the sub account's been doing different things and I can see these comments. Now what happens when I click on it? I can only see the one comment that was marked external. I can reply to this message and say, here's your load. And when I do this, it's going to go over, it's going to update inside of the agency to the task. The user that's assigned to it's going to get a white label email. So what this does, it completely streamlines communication, simplifies sub-account support by giving a project management system to your agency. And if you want to extend that down as a support desk, great. You only have to get the one project management system. If you would like to have a project management system across all of that they can use for Kanban boards, set it up however they want. You want to make it part of your SaaS, integrated inside of native workflows. Feel free to sign up for the 7-day trial below and let us know if you have any questions.